The providence of the self-regulating body. Natural hygiene emphasizes the body's innate wisdom and capacity to maintain balance and health. The body is designed to function optimally when it is provided with proper conditions, such as clean air, pure water, natural food, adequate rest, and sunlight. This self-regulation encompasses a variety of functions that help the body cleanse, restore, and maintain itself. Self-regulation and disease. From a natural hygiene perspective, what is commonly referred to as disease is actually a process of the body attempting to restore homeostasis. Take, for instance, a fever. Rather than being a sign of an attack, a fever is viewed as a beneficial, natural response. It is the body's effort to eliminate accumulated waste, toxins, or excess heat. By raising the body's temperature, internal processes accelerate, facilitating the breakdown and removal of toxins. The discomfort experienced during this process is a reminder to rest, conserve energy, and allow the body to do its cleansing work. Similarly, symptoms like mucus production, coughing, or diarrhea are not the problems themselves, but are methods the body uses to expel waste and toxins. From the natural hygiene viewpoint, suppressing these symptoms with medication interferes with the body's efforts to clean itself and achieve balance. Instead, the best course of action is to support the body by fasting, resting, and consuming natural, hydrating foods. Detoxification, the body's cleansing mechanism. The body is equipped with organs designed for ongoing detoxification, such as the liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin. When burdened by excess toxins, whether from poor diet, environmental factors, or stress, the body initiates more intense detoxification processes. For example, when one consumes a diet rich in processed foods, the body accumulates waste. As a response, it might generate symptoms like skin eruptions or increased mucus to expel this internal waste. Natural hygiene promotes fasting as an effective way to aid the body's self-cleansing. When the digestive system is not burdened with constant processing of food, the body redirects energy toward repair, detoxification, and healing. This innate ability to cleanse and heal highlights the providence of the self-regulating body. Regulatory functions beyond disease. Beyond addressing symptoms labeled as disease, the body constantly works to maintain internal equilibrium. Consider the regulation of body temperature. Whether in hot or cold environments, the body adjusts its processes through sweating or shivering to maintain an optimal temperature. This automatic response is evidence of the body's self-regulatory design. Similarly, digestion is a self-regulating process. When natural, enzyme-rich foods are consumed, the body produces the necessary enzymes to break them down and absorb nutrients effectively. Overeating or consuming processed foods, however, places stress on the digestive system. The body's response might include bloating or fatigue, signaling the need to rest and recalibrate. The body's self-regulatory capabilities are inherent and constant, striving to maintain balance and health. Symptoms are not enemies, but indicators of the body's efforts to cleanse, restore, and adapt to conditions. By following natural hygiene practices, embracing rest, fasting, proper diet, and lifestyle, we can support the body's providence and allow it to function as intended.